Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to keep your Facebook friends list private. Here are the easy steps to make your Facebook friends list private using the Facebook app. First is to unlock your mobile phone, then use your PIN and fingerprint or pattern to open it. Open the Facebook app by tapping the blue or F icon to launch the Facebook. Tap the menu, usually located at the top right of the screen. Then tap the gear icon. This takes you to your personal Facebook settings. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility. Then choose How People Find and Contact You. Scroll down and find Friend List. You'll see a section labeled Who Can See Your Friends List. Tap the current setting, for example, Public or Friends. This opens a list of privacy options. Select Only Me to make it completely private, or choose Friends or Custom if you want to allow specific people. Tap the Save. This saves your new privacy setting. Confirm your friends list is now hidden. View your profile from another account, or ask a friend to check if they can still see your friends list. Privacy options you can choose: Public, anyone can see your friends. Friends, only your Facebook friends can view it. Only Me, keeps it 100% private. Or Custom, show or hide from specific people. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.